this video I want to speak about how to change the unit over SolidWorks. Here you can see we have IPS, means pound, inch and second, and if you want to change it to millimeters you can for sure change it from here, or also you can go to settings, document properties, unit, and change it for sure here. But there is a problem. When we close the window and open the new document, new part, here you can see by default it is IPS. So we can solve this problem by going to the files. Here go to options, view, and select the show hidden files. Okay, so you can go to PC drive. Here you can go to program data and SolidWorks. For me, because I installed 22, maybe you have SolidWorks 2017, 2016, no matter. You can go here, template. So first we should close this bar and drag this file here on SolidWorks. So we have new part. Here you should change the IPS to mmgs. So when you close it, there is the option, and we have to save all to be as a default the millimeters. Save all. When you open the new, and you can see we have mmgs by default. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.